how to fix Twitch not sending verification code. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. Open up the settings on your phone and first use the search bar to search for VPN. Make sure you have not connected to any VPN services because it is going to prevent it from sending you a code. So here you want to go and click on VPN and device management and make sure VPN is not turned on. Once you check that, then you can go back and type storage like this, and you want to go and select iPhone storage. From here, you need to find the Twitch app. So I'm going to sort it by name and go down to T. So D, E, F, G, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Okay, trying to find it. Okay, so you have the Twitch app right here. Oops, that's over. You have the Twitch app right here. You want to go and click on offload app. And once you offload the application, then you want to click on reinstall. Once you do that, then you should no longer have issues with signing into your account. So I hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.